just look at that, eh? It's all done. I'll tell you what I will do. I'm going to turn it around so everybody can see what the pool looks like, and the weather. I think the weather is probably the most important thing, especially if you're thinking about moving to Spain. To me, the weather is always the most important thing. So I've gone live now for about 30 seconds. Takes Michael's the top man. He's first in. Thomas nearly made it. So everybody else is top people. Well done. So anyway, let's go straight into it. So today's Tuesday. It's the 6th of February. 21 in the shade. Now this morning it was pretty cold. We all went and had coffee inside the rendezvous this morning. We usually sit outside, but it was a little bit chilly today. And last night we had the wood burner on, and I think tonight the temperatures will drop again, so we'll probably have the wood burner on again. But tomorrow, it's supposed to be 22 tomorrow and sunny, so I'm going to look forward to that. Right, Sheila, who won the free sticker on Sunday, I think she tried to join my Facebook group, which was obviously Expat and Mazaron. And because obviously I've got other things to do, I've got a couple administrators, and they always check, making sure that people that want to join the group always do the correct thing. So Sheila, because what it was, I clicked onto my Facebook page, I saw you wanting to join, but I did notice you didn't do anything about the rules. So by the time I looked back at it, it had gone. So I would imagine one of my administrators had kicked you off, or they may have not. I haven't got the time to check. You can't believe how busy it can get sometimes when I've got things to do here, checking YouTube, and I've got other social network sites as well I have to keep looking at. People send me messages from all over the place. So Sheila, if you did try, and for some reason I kicked you off, I haven't kicked you off. But so if you haven't joined already, please rejoin again. I'm sure one of the guys will let you through, but it's only 2 questions. Why you want to join, and do you agree with the rules? I'm pretty strict on that, and I always say to my administrators, if you don't get one of them right, then we kick you off. But anyway, if you're in already, Sheila, you're a top lady, but it is Sheila. I still need, obviously, your address so I can send you a sticker. So, and I've just done that, and you can't even see me now. So I'm going to put it back to there. So, Sheila, I need your address now. Anyway, today's question is from Colin, and this is going right back. This is how far I've got these questions. This is going right back to December the 10th. So that's quite a while, but we're talking nearly 2 months, isn't it? So I've got plenty of questions at the moment, but always, if you have got a question, just bear with me. I don't always kick in straight away. Anyway, Colin was asking, without giving away numbers, can you explain why I pay tax, or Spanish tax? So, funny enough, Colin, today, because being a resident in Spain, I have to put in my tax every year between May and June, and then they send me the bill. Now I use an accountant. I think it's a good idea, because honestly, even the accountants, Spanish tax is so confusing. And obviously Colin's asking, why do I pay tax? Now if I only had a state pension, then guys, you don't pay no tax at all. But and now I'm going to say straight away also, guys, when you're talking about money and things like this, tax especially, I'm just an ordinary guy. Don't take everything that I say 100%. Guys, you always need to deal with somebody that's a professional in the tax world, be it a lawyer, solicitor, accountant. But me, I'm only telling you what I know, and I get told loads of things from people, and I can only believe what people tell me. But I actually went in the accountant's place today to get some information on what do I need to set up an account to sort out my Spanish tax. But the main reason why is, yeah, like I said, I'm not going to give you how much. I pay quite a bit of tax, I will say. And the main reason I pay a little bit of tax, I got free, you did five, didn't I? I got free private pensions on top of my state pension. And I had a question today about the state pension. Any increases that the UK give on pensions here, we get them. I believe Australia and Canada, they don't get them, but that's what I've heard. But here in Spain, we get any increases, and I think we're due for another increase for this year, which to me is going to mean I'm going to have to end up paying more tax. What I will say is, what fascinates me and the wife, we got private pensions on top of our state pensions, and we virtually get paid the same. But because I got free, for some reason I pay more. Why that is, I don't know. And this is another reason why I was looking around for another accountant. Now, some people have told me that they don't pay Spanish tax, they pay UK tax. Because what it is, the threshold here in Spain is obviously a lot lower than it is back in the UK. So you can have more in your account. Now, as far as I know, you can't do that, guys. Once you're living here in Spain, like full time, you got to pay the Spanish tax. You can't do half and half. Maybe you can have an agreement. I mean, funny enough, I did pick up a form today. Anyway, I'm just going to read you through the income tax return form that I picked up. You need your passport, your residency, your padron. You need I'm applying for a new accountancy, and so I need a fresh padron. It's going to cost me a couple of euros. My pension payments from last year, pay slips, P60s, copy of the selling of the deeds, my escritura. If you sold your house and all the other, expenses and purchase, my bank details of my bank interest, details if I got rental income. Obviously, if you've got properties back in the UK that you may rent out, and you got huge amounts of savings, maybe you're a lottery winner. I think you can have 50,000 in your savings. Now, how that's saved, I don't know. Offshore accounts, maybe not a good idea, but I know some people have them. Information about real estate properties, well, I ain't got any of that. Any more information, and then I've got to fill out first time application. I've got to do a FD9 form, and you can download apparently that from the UK or the Gov UK site. It's another form. It's all about it's all about paperwork. Now, guys, whatever I say about tax, you need to speak to somebody, professional. Because, like I said, I've spoken to a couple of people who seem to pay a bit of Spanish tax and a bit of UK tax, or they pay just UK tax. Apparently, that's not right. But anyway, I might be wrong. So if I'm wrong, don't worry about it. Don't, like I said before, I just want to be within the law as such. And I pay, like I moaned about, I think it must have been back in December, I was obviously moaning about something. I pay quite a bit of tax. I'm not going to mention what it is, but I do pay quite a bit of tax. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm a pensioner. I shouldn't be paying any tax. It's not like I've got some huge amount of money. I wish I had. Anyway, don't forget Sean's Coffee Fund. most appreciated if you want to contribute. I've just noticed I've only got 13 likes there, but then I've got 22 in the house, so I can't really moan about that. So, Colin, I suppose, has that really explained why I pay tax? Well, mainly because I've got private pensions. Thank God I have got private pensions, because I would imagine, and I know there's going to be people living off just their state pensions, and that's fantastic. But I would find that very hard, because things have gone up here, guys. I was noticing the other day, is it olive oil? Olive oil, cooking oil is going through the roof. Obviously, it's to do with it's costing so much more to produce oil or something. I'm on about cooking oil, and that's like tripled the price here in Spain. And I imagine, hey Angela, you're a top lady. Thank you much for buying me a coffee and a hamburger, maybe. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, that's the main reason why I paid tax. Was I got free pension, private pensions, and obviously they're over the limit, and there's not a lot I can do about it. It was interesting. She was telling me, because I was trying to explain to her. Obviously, I got a UK bank account, and I'll be honest, I've probably talked about it before. I would never get rid of my UK bank account unless the law changes. I mean, they've been, ever since Brexit, they've been clamping down on bank accounts. Obviously, I can't set up another bank account now in the UK because I don't live there anymore. But I've kept my bank account going ever since before I moved to Spain, obviously. And I got a savings account because I've opened a savings account to put in I put so much a month away into the savings account to pay for my Spanish tax, which I told her, made her laugh. But she did say, I will have to declare that. She says, even if you're only earning a penny out of it, you have to declare it. What when I say you have to declare it, I mean, if I didn't mention it, then she won't none the wiser. But, so I've told her about it. I mean, I'm not rude. So I've got to go back in April now. I'll probably do a chat about it in April, let you know how it's going. Because the other thing I wanted to get set up as well today was a digital signature. What a palaver! Yeah, what a palaver! I mean, I can't believe here in Spain, there's around one digital signature for everything. There's 3 of them apparently, and the one I'm not going to tell you, going to go in the ins and out why I'm wanting this digital signature, but the one that I want, she did say to me, it's the most complicated, because she said, I've got to go down to Mazaron to the tax office, which is the Hacienda or something. I've been there before when I was dealing with the car tax, and then she said to me, but they can sort out a digital signature for me, and she said it covers the other 2. But I know this digital signature, it's so confusing. This digital signature that I want is I'll never get it right, cleaver, whatever. It's a total different thing, because I know whatever else I put in there other than this digital signature of it's called cleaver or something, they're just going to kick me out if it's not the right digital signature. How nuts! I mean, how nuts is that? But anyway, it's the way it is. What I will say, the fees for the first year couple. Okay. Right, I've got here €100 per person. Now, I do believe you can do your tax returns online, and obviously, I think it's free. But don't bank me on that. But I'd rather get somebody, even if it means I've got to pay the accountant. I'd rather get the account, because it is complicated. But no doubt, loads of you out there going to tell me certain things. I mean, guys, I'm just passing on the information. I mean, I get told loads of things. Can I believe half of it? I don't know. But what I will say before I'll finish off today is anything to do with money, guys, seek proper legal advice. Don't Facebook and YouTube and whatever else. You need to go. You've got to go to a solicitor, a lawyer, or it's people that deal with those sort of things, and then you know everything that you're doing is correct. Does that make anything better? Anyway, I think I got 21 in the house. Top people. I've got 20. Sorry, I've got 27 in the house. Top people, and I've got 21 likes. I'm going to say adios amigos. I'll catch you tomorrow. And I'll just have a quick look at tomorrow's question, because today's was. I hate talking about tax. I hate it. Okay. Oh, tomorrow's question is a bit where I used to live, apparently. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Anyway, that's for tomorrow. So adios amigos. I'll catch you tomorrow. There it is.